What are the future trends as business owners that small and medium enterprises must keep an eye on?
Again, I think digitalization is a future trend. So for SMEs, go digital first is so important, right? And that way you can be resilient when crisis comes, right? And you can do business anywhere, anytime. And today in China, we can see the phenomenon about the emergence and a rapid growth of social commerce, right? So one surprising factor through the COVID-19 pandemic in China was the explosive growth of live streaming as a means of brand engaging their audience. KOLs, online influencers, increasingly work with brands to market products online via their Taobao live shop front. So in February this year alone, we saw sales via live streams increase by over 100%, right? A few years ago, Jack Ma actually predicted in the future, 5 new will change the world in the next 3 decades. So those 5 news: new retail, new manufacturing, new finance, new technology, and new energy. We started from new retail, but people don't know about what is new retail exactly. So we built up a showcase that is a Hema Freshable, a supermarket, fresh supermarket. We started that showcase telling the traditional business. Now, this is the new retail. And what is new retail? Online, offline, combined together. And the core of that is a service. Is customer experience. If you can raise the customer experience, you can raise the efficiency and raise the competitiveness, right? So in Hema Fresh today, more than 60% of the people shopping through Hema Fresh app and allow the products deliver from the store to your door within 30 minutes. The Hema Fresh actually serve the people living in 3 kilometers radius, right? But 40% of the user, they still happy to go to Hema Fresh offline store, maybe with their family member at weekend, and allow Australian lobster be cooked in the store and you can dine in the store. But next time, if you feel, I just don't want to go out, I just want to buy it and staying at home, you definitely use the app to order. But you can understand when you just visit the store, you can find if you buying someone buying at home, the products picked from the inventory and then go to the chain, to the back office, and they pack it and to have the courier man to deliver. But that is really data-wise the operation. So how can we complete that, the delivery within 30 minutes? And those courier men, each time one route, need to deliver for 3 orders. And which 3 orders can be combined together will be more efficient. That's the data algorithm, help them to do that.
Fantastic.
Right. So this is a new retail. And the second thing is a new manufacturer. We also just recently launched this new manufacturer. Now, what is new manufacturer? That is, C2B model. That is also very interesting concept. People last century, actually the business model is all B2C. What's the B2C mean? Means the retail, the business, you manufacture the products and then you supply to the market. And then, maybe people don't like that. And you can have the inventory hoarding, right? That's the traditional situation. And the future should be the C2B model from consumer end and the manufacturer to customize the products, right? So this model is shifting from big scale to small scale, from the standardized manufacturer to customized manufacturer.
Right.
But they all is the data wise, and you understand consumer behavior, consumer preference, and then you can have the better manufacturing. So that's also the future for that. But I understand for new retail and China, actually e-commerce, go digital, all went in advance than maybe other markets, right? But for the SME here, maybe if we talk about new retail, maybe too early, but go digital first is quite important. And when you gather some kind of the intelligence for the consumer end, and then later on you combine all your operation and inventory all digitalized, and then you can understand how to do that. Maybe for your offline store, you just for the customer experience, and then all the products is in the centralized warehouse, and you can deliver when someone order online, and you can deliver your product from your centralized warehouse to their home. That is also the beauty for the digitalization for SMEs in the future.